Assalamualaikum dear kids. Hope so you are all fine. Today we are going to know about community helpers. Today's learning objectives are: identify different community helpers. Second, describe the roles of community helpers. Third, appreciate the importance of community helpers. Let's get to know them. Community helpers are important people who assist others in need. Every person in a community can a community helper since they all contribute to the development of the society. Police. My role in the community is to ensure safety by solving crimes. I wear my uniform and a special badge. Doctor. I am a community helper that helps you feel better. I take care of sick patients. Shopkeeper. I am someone who runs the grocery shop or stationery shop at Extra. Farmer. I am a community helper who grows plants and raises animals. I work in a farm. Pilot. I am the one who flies up carrying people in the airplane. Teacher. I am a community helper that helps children learn new things. I work in school. Plumber. I am the one who helps to fix broken pipes in the houses, buildings and hospitals. Firefighter. I work at the fire department. I am a community helper who protects people from fire and keeps you safe. Postman. I am the one who delivers letters, money orders to people. Nurse. I am responsible for taking care of the sick, often under the supervision of a doctor. I work in hospital and clinics. Carpenter. I am the one who makes things out of the wood like furniture. Chef. I work in the kitchens of restaurants and hotels. I create the menus, prepare the food and manage the operations of the kitchen. Construction worker. I am someone who works on a construction site. I help build bridges or houses. Fisherman. I am a community helper who catches fish and sell it. Hope so you like the video. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.